my YouTube channel. I'm Coach Laudiaann, and if you're new to my channel, thank you for coming by and watch my videos before you ever subscribe to my channel. It's really important that you make sure you like my channel, and I want you to like my channel. If you want to subscribe to my channel, you have to like my channel. Please press the like button, leave a comment of what you think about my channel, and give me some ideas so I can create better content for you all. And thank you for returning subscribers coming back to my YouTube channel. I appreciate all of you and supporting my channel and loving every video that I create. All right, today's message, I'm going to talk about expecting the best and being a better communicator. Okay, so communication is what I want to talk about. How you communicate with people, how you react with people with your communication. Your relationship with your communication is so important for you to be successful online. And I want to read this. Did you know that 95% of your emotions determines your inner dialogue of your personality style? Did you know that? If you talk the way you talk to others about positively in a constructive way, if you're talking calm and you're being clear and you're being in control, you become more effective as a speaker, as a leader, and people will look up to you. People will be drawn to you because they want what you have, right? But if you interpret the opposite way of being negative, you will not be effective. You'll be less effective and it will draw people away from you because you have lost their attention. So what you want to do is you want to fully understand your inner dialogue of your personal style. All right, you got to challenge yourself and challenge with others today. And what I mean by that is bringing out the best of others by saying challenging words. So, what are challenging words? Challenging words are positive affirmations, okay? Connected with your subconscious mind. If you're a good, if you love to meditate, you are a good communicator. Why? Because you're always constantly thinking positive things in your mind. So it's just only natural that what comes out of your mouth is what you have been meditating on. All right, it's what your belief, your core, your inner being of you produces your dialogue and your personal style. Okay, so I'm going to give you some exercises that I need you guys to do. And let me, I did have it here. Let me, I have to go back in my notes and try to find it. But, you know, you need to develop that inner personality of you. Be true to yourself too, okay? Your valuable reputation is most valuable asset. Think about people, think about you and talk about you. That determines your success and advancement more than any other single factor. When people consider you to be a person of character as well as competence, your future is assured. So you are secured with them. They have built a bond between you and them. Okay. So that's really important, that your emotions need to connect to your inner dialogue to produce a personality style. All right, so let's work on our inside. All right, and I also wanted to share with you, I'm trying to find the page, I can't find it now, but what is connected to that as being a better communicator is also developing a positive mental attitude. Everything all goes to how you behave. It's your behavior. All right. Let's see. The more positive and constructive you become, the more you will be liked and respected. You will be paid more and promoted faster, and more people will like you, and more people will support you, and more people will want to be around you. The more positive you become, the more influential and persuasive you will be with other people. Okay, so we need to focus being better at communication by speaking life, speaking words of positive affirmations, being a better communication with other people will help you develop a strong bond and relationship with other people. So it is really important that you build that inner dialogue of yourself, build a strong, firm communicator as a person in life, develop that style of your personal lifestyle. Make it make it strong, don't allow anything weak or pulling you down. Everything has to be positive all around your lifestyle. All right, guys, I hope you guys will work on your positive attitude, your behavior, being a better communicator. That is what I wanted to talk to you all about. Overall, I'm letting you know that 95% of your emotions determine your inner dialogue, and that develops your personal style. All right, hope you like my tips today. Work on that area in your communication. I will talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.